Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add a member to your projects on Toggl Track, not to tasks or to your organization / workspace, but to projects within the given workspace. So let us begin. Head over to your account on Toggl Track, and what you want to do guys is click into that drop down menu in the top left and select your workspace / organization first. Of course, you can invite members to your organization, but that's not what we're going to do. Instead, we're going to navigate to projects here on the left hand side. And then guys, what you want to do is click into these three dots here next to the given project inside your organization. And then choose add member. And then from here, what you want to do is use that field to either select, for example, a team or a user from that list within your organization. Click into add members, or you may enter the email address here to send an email invitation. Set the role here, like for example a project admin or regular member, and then click into add members to add him or her to the list of members. You can check the list of members here. You will see these members show, for example, active, inactive, and so on and so forth. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.